Are you wondering how to log out of Telegram on your laptop? Maybe you've finished using it on a shared computer or you want to switch accounts securely. Today, I'll walk you through logging out of Telegram on your desktop, step by step, so you can make sure your chats and information stay private. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to safely sign out with no confusion and no hassle. Let's jump right in. First things first, start by opening the Telegram desktop application. You'll usually find its blue paper plane icon on your desktop or in your applications menu. If you're already signed in, you'll see your chats right away. If not, just double-click the icon to launch Telegram. This might seem obvious, but starting out on the right app makes all the difference. Sometimes using a browser or mobile version can lead to different instructions, so make sure you're working on the desktop app. Once Telegram is open, take a look at the top left corner of the window. There you'll notice a menu icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other, a classic hamburger menu. Clicking this icon reveals Telegram's main navigation options. If you've used other messaging apps, you might recognize this menu style. It makes it quick to access vital settings. Now from the menu that appears, you want to select Settings. Go ahead and click on that. You'll be taken to the Settings window where you'll find options for customizing notifications, privacy, and a whole lot more. Don't worry if things look a little overwhelming here. The option we need is right within easy reach. Here's a spot where you'll need a keen eye. At the very top right of the settings window, there's another small icon, this time featuring 3 vertical dots, sometimes called More Options or the Overflow menu. It's easy to miss if you're not looking closely, so take a moment to locate it. Clicking these dots pulls up a short list of additional settings, including the logout feature. Now go ahead and click Log Out. At this stage, Telegram wants to make sure you really intend to sign out, so it'll pop up a confirmation window. This extra step is important. It prevents accidental logouts, especially if you're moving quickly or sharing the device with others. When the prompt appears, just click Log Out once more to confirm. After you do, Telegram will sign you out, and any personal messages or account info will no longer be accessible until you log in again. And that's all there is to it. Logging out might seem simple, but it's an important step for keeping your information secure. If you use Telegram on a shared device, I highly recommend making this part of your routine. Think of it like locking the door when you leave your house. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and feel free to share any questions or challenges you had in the comments. I'm always here to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.